What's your prediction off the trailer?
If it leaves as it's supposed to, 760.
I almost crashed the car. I picked up, threw me to the side, taking out turbo cars with an all motor car. You a bad motherfucker. He's been taking out turbo cars all weekend. Beat a few cars with some parachutes out there today too. What up guys, straight from California, back to the track. We are testing the all-wheel drive B-Series car today. Can't believe Jamie brought his car and then my boy Miz got his car here at the track. Yo Jamie, you took no breaks, straight from Cali back to the track.
You know how we do.
What's the goal for today?
The goal really is to make sure I don't lose my mind with all these fucking cars. But outside of that, same thing like Cali, A to B. And you know how the story goes after that.
So pretty much you guys know the DA was shitty in California. Running on the East Coast, the car's gonna run a lot different. So we're gonna try to make a few A to B passes today, see what the car likes, what it doesn't like, and then hopefully go like a 920 and see what the car does for a mile an hour. I don't know, man. What do you think it's gonna do?
I don't even want to talk. We'll see.
Miz, you ready to drive?
I'm ready.
We want to see beginner. I want to see beginner time.
I'm good with a 9-second pass.
First hit?
First hit. If I can go 9999, I'm good.
If I could go 7999 I'll be good too. Well, let's see if we can do it. Yeah. So I'm gonna make my first ever hit right now at IFO. I'm in the Force Induction Pro class. My first time ever driving the B-Series all-wheel drive. And then Jamie's obviously here, so just us three cars. 80, 82, 83 degrees out today, so it's gonna be a good time. And my boy.
Yo, what's up, man? How you doing?
What's your prediction off the trailer?
760.
760? He said.
Hey, hold on. If you stay in it.
All right, 760 if I stay in it. What about you? You said 8. What did you?
I said 8. If it leaves as it's supposed to.
7. That's a good. That's solid. 760. I like 760 better.
Yeah. I'm good calling numbers.
Yeah. I'm with you.
I stay in it.
The 330 block out there.
Get that 760.
I'm gonna stay in it unless the car is like full sideways.
Oh yeah. Never
Yeah.
fuck that. By the end of today, 60s.
Hit at all.
60s?
Yeah.
Barely.
I'm not gonna be cool with 60s.
Why not? Nah,
Yeah, we need a little bit more. I need a 759 to get in the World Cup. 75999. So I'm gonna drive.
We were close last time.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive. 762. I think we ran, bro. We needed to run at 759.
We got enough. We
No, we were great. Yeah.
Fucking this much.
Transmission, but we're gonna see what it does today. Hopefully, if this thing goes to 759, I'm taking this thing to the World Cup. Alright guys, last pass did not go so good for me. The track is super sticky, so I bogged, didn't make a hit. But Jamie, let me tell you, Jamie just went at 923 at 148 in the same trim that he went to Cali with. And his car spun a little bit. It's crazy. And then Miz, his first pass, I think he kept his hand on the strain. He's still learning the car, so we're gonna see what happens next pass. Yo, Jamie, you a bad motherfucker.
What I need is that in car because the misfire bad.
I seen, and you spun, and still went a 9.2. That was almost a 9.1 hit off the trailer.
It is hot.
What up, guys? So last hit, I'm basically going to the finals. Basically, I came here and made 2 hits, went to the finals, 1 qualified. That was just round 1 eliminations, and then now I'm going to the finals. Only 3 cars in the class, which is crazy. But first hit, I bogged. First round eliminations, car had way too much boost in second gear, so it spun. The strain didn't cut from the 2-3 shift, and I put it in a 4th, and it basically just like coasted. Car did basically a burnout for second gear, so I turned the boost all the way down. The good thing is that the car left, it launched. I cut a 1.360. I don't know if I'm gonna better that, but it is what it is. I wish I could have done more testing for FL2K. I mean, I still got 1 more pass left. If everything goes smooth, cool, whatever, but I don't know. Yo, Jamie, what'd you run last pass?
I bogged and went a 925.
You bogged to a 925?
Bogged to 925.
You still in it though?
The GoPro works?
No. Your GoPros. I've been having issues with the GoPros all weekend. They overheat, so.
I'm still in.
All right, cool.
The turbo guy's already crying, talking about that I don't belong in that class, but bro, it's a turbo class. Really?
I was saying, you're in Force Induction Street.
Fourth induction street.
Yeah, Force Induction Street with all motor car.
Well, sports induction sport.
Yeah. I'll see you guys up. For me, it's gonna be finals, and then for Jamie, I think semis. Guys, I just won IFO. I almost crashed the car.
So close, I don't think you're gonna put a penny between your car and the wall.
Bro, I went a 9.0. The car went 176. I was like, it felt fast in the car, and the car just got picked up, threw me to the side. I think the parachute touched the wall, but the car is 100% okay. But I won IFO, you know? Didn't make any clean hits. 3 passes, bogged. I think I did like a 9.2 and then just, or was it 15? I don't know. And then last pass was just a 9. I was just like, yo, I ain't gonna let this dude beat me.
Not an IFO, we're not going down like
It's crazy. Jamie's still in it. He's in Force Induction Street with an all motor car.
Oh, turbo cars.
Yeah, he got the rest turbo car. He just cleared the field most likely. So he just won his last round. And again, I apologize. I don't know if any of the GoPros are working. I'm gonna figure this out when I'm editing. As far as today goes, today just been shit. Today's been one of my shittiest testing tunes ever. I need to just figure the car out, bring it back home, and just maybe I have to put some weight in the back of the car. I don't know, that thing, when I pulled the parachute, it just lifted right up and threw me over. And I had that problem when I was front wheel drive, now I'm all wheel drive, and I still have that problem. It might be my parachute location, it might be my parachute, but I'll figure that out. We're gonna get Jamie's car ready. I won IFO, three hits.
Win is a win, baby. It doesn't matter, bro. That's a birthday win, man.
Yeah, today's my birthday, and I won an IFO on my birthday, which is pretty dope. So we're gonna go for Jamie. Hopefully he makes it to the finals and wins this. It'll be insane.
He got all turbo cars. He's racing a
He will be able to cut a light though. He'll be good.
He's racing a fleet of 8-9 cars, 9-8 cars.
So yeah, Jamie
He's only on motor.
He got his work cut out for him today. So. All right, guys, Jamie is going to the finals. He just took out a TTRS Audi. He's been taking out turbo cars all weekend. So next pair up, I think he's racing some Mercedes in Force Induction Street. And then that's finals, and then that's pretty much it. Let's hope he wins, it'll be crazy. One more round left, and then we are done. Yo, Jamie, taking out turbo cars with all motor cars, where I'm from, it's very, very disrespectful.
You know, that disrespect, I didn't mean.
I need to talk a little louder because of the music.
I said, I didn't mean to be disrespectful, but, you know.
We here, baby.
Once you start going balls deep, you can't stop going balls deep.
Here we go, Force Induction Street Finals. My boy made it to the finals.
Again.
Yeah, this car went 9.9 last hit at 145. My boy just won a 9.3 cruising. Cruising.
You need one of those right there.
Yeah,
you need that
thing is nice. But last race for the weekend, and then that's pretty much it. Next stop after here is gonna be World Cup Finals.
So it's gonna be 13. Well, it depends on if you decide to go to Florida or not.
I'm not going to Florida no more.
All right, so you're not going to Florida.
I made the call just now.
So that means we're going.
I made the call when the car almost hit the wall.
So are we going to 13203 with the car?
With my car?
Yeah.
No, I need to go back to the drawing board.
Oh man.
Yeah, you might not catch me back out this season with that car. If the K car comes out, cool, whatever. But I'm gonna have to just focus
you
on.
Gotta build confidence in it though. That was only one pass.
Yeah, it took my confidence away this weekend. We'll figure it out. I'm gonna go to a test and tune by myself.
Are we gonna hit the street?
Yeah, we could do that too. Make sure the car's dialed in. I'm cool with hitting 1, 2, 3 on the street. Yeah, I know you're getting excited.
Hell yeah.
So finals coming up right now. That dude just red lit.
Yo, good thing.
Honda scared him. That's what happened.
Yo, 2 grades, 2 trophies in one
Got
day.
scared of the four cylinder.
Yo, he know it. That guy know it.
That guy did that.
Yeah, because well, I mean, Jamie's still won a 10-0. I think
Yeah, 10-0,
9.9.
missing fucking second gear
Yeah,
completely.
10-0. The dude's 9.9. So we just took home both classes just now at IFO. Again, two back-to-back wins. I need to talk to you real quick.
Oh man.
That was disrespectful what happened today.
You know?
Very disrespectful.
I don't know, man.
You beat a few cars with some parachutes out there today too.
Yeah, they gotta pass that parachute on. I think I need that parachute.
They're crazy. We just went from, Kato was just saying, we just went from the West Coast to the East Coast and got a dub. My day was a lot easier than yours, but you definitely worked for yours.
I had to work. I made more passes today, I think, than I made in Cali.
You know how I know you made a lot of passes? You lost second gear.
Yeah.
Second gear is cooked. That last dude, he was shook.
Shaking in his boots.
Yeah. All right, we're about to go up, get the trophies, and call it a day. Crazy. This reminds me back of the old days. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this video out. Me and my boy took home.
You already know. Good job again.
This is like old times right here.
Like old times.
Yeah.
Fucking street reminds me of 2018 all over.
So we won both our classes. Rough day for both. Well, rough day for me. Last rough pass for Jamie. Shout out all you guys. Shout out Frank, Cacho, Brian. Still gotta go to another test and tune, figure out the bugs, but my boy, we gotta go to one more test and tune. Me and you. So we're gonna make it to one more test and tune before I take the car out fully, make sure the car is good, make sure I not to crash it. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video.